Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have something a little different. It's not about a lawnmower or a small engine. It is my grandfather's 2007 Crown Victoria. He wants me to do a coolant flush on it. We're going to start on it today. I've already got the supplies for it. I bought it a while back. And I even put some coolant flush in it before I started this. And now that he's driven around a little while, let the engine run, it's time to flush it. Let's get the tools behind the wheel horse and we'll get started on this. And by the way, you may notice I got a new seat for it, finally. I got tired of the old one, so I just ran down the tractor supply and got a new one. So here's the car. My grandfather's told me that whenever he's sitting in a parking lot or in a drive-through, after a while the temperature gauge starts to get on the high side, and sometimes even the high temperature light or whatever that is comes on and it warns him that the car is too hot, or that the engine is too hot. So he has to cut it off, and then when he needs to move, he just cuts it back on, then cuts it back off. But it's just fine when it's driving. So that's making me think that it is a stuck thermostat. For some reason, this didn't come across my mind until just now. The reason it may be overheating in the parking lot or in the drive-thru is because the radiator fan may not be spinning. We gotta check that out after we get back to the house, because that can definitely cause overheating when standing still. I can't tell if it's spinning or not. I don't hear it. Let me get my flashlight. It's not spinning. Huh, okay. Let me turn the AC on and see if it turns on. Okay. Let's see if that fan has turned on yet. Uh-oh, it is not. I do not see it spinning at all. I don't even hear it. I don't even hear a fan running in this thing. Guys, we have found the problem. The radiator fan is not spinning. It is about a week and a half later since I have done the coolant flush successfully on the Crown Vic. And as you know, we replaced the coolant, flushed it out, put new coolant in it, and put a new thermostat in it. But the overheating still occurs. So then I discovered that the radiator fan was not spinning even when it was overheating. For some reason I didn't record that, but it did start to overheat on me. So there is this part called the radiator fan relay, or some people call it the radiator fan control module. And there was this YouTuber who showed us how to test the module. So I think our fan control module is bad. So I went out on Amazon and ordered one for, I think this one was $26. The OEM one costs like $221. That is outrageous for a little computer or relay, whatever whatever it is. And a reputable parts maker called Dorman makes one for $127. And I was going to try to get that one, but it was going to take a while to get here. So this is the one I end up getting. I don't remember the brand name. I can put the link to the Amazon link that I bought it from in the description, and I'll put an image of it up here. But yeah, that's where I got it. It's finally here. It came here October 4th or 5th, I think. But unfortunately, I was sick and I could not install it that day. But now it's October 7th. I'm going to go ahead and install the part, but I am going to take a few precautions. I don't think I'm contagious now, because after a certain point, you're just not contagious anymore. But just in case I am, I'm going to wear a mask, I'm going to wear gloves, and I'm also going to wipe down everything that I've touched. Oh, yikes. Guys, I almost stepped on this. Where is it? I almost stepped on that. Alright. I'm not arachnophobe, but that scared me. We're gonna kill it. I don't know what kind of spider that is, but I don't like it. Anyway, I was gonna say when you were gonna hook up the tool trailer, but it's literally just one screw and a screwdriver. Look at that pretty butterfly. Alright, so mask and gloves on. Let's move the car a little bit and install that part. The module connects right here to the fan, and it also connects on this connector right here. The reason that needs to be there is so the computer can variably control the speed of the fan, because sometimes you don't have to have the fan running at full blast, but you do have to have it running sometimes, but not at full blast. So that's why that module's there. Now this wouldn't even have to happen if it was just a belt driven like the LTD right there. Oh, I missed the past, even though I wasn't born in it. Alright, so I've got to record the satisfying clicks that come with this, because I know it's going to be satisfying. Oh, that was not so satisfying. But it clicked in. The fan one goes click. Alright, it's in place. Let's go ahead and start the car, then turn the AC on to see if the fan spins. Alright, the fan should be spinning. I think it might be spinning, guys. I gotta get a flashlight and see. Yes, it is spinning. Yes! Alrighty. Oh, that makes me so happy, guys. The fan is spinning, finally. Oh wow, the AC is ice cold. Unlike before. Oh, that feels so good. Even though it's not that hot outside. Alright, secured in place. Let's start the car again. And this time we're going to let it idle for about 15 minutes. Let's see what time it is. It says 10:58 on that, but I don't know how accurate these Fords are. I used to have a Freestar that had that same kind of clock on it. A few minutes off. 10:54 according to my phone. We're going to turn the AC on to work the engine out a little bit more. And I'll update you guys at 11:15 my time. Well guys, it's been about 15 minutes now. The temperature never went above halfway. And I have the AC on full blast. And I hear the fan spinning, so it's doing its job. Coolant level's all good. We have fixed the Crown Victoria. A job well done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're just stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.